Hello children, this is our grammar class and today we are going to do a new lesson, that is phrases. Okay, this topic is very new to you, so I want all my kids to listen carefully. Okay, phrases. So what do you mean by phrases? See, I have given 2-3 points and let's understand this topic with the help of these points. So phrase means it's a group of words. Okay, it's a group of words. It's not one word. One word is not called a phrase. Okay, ഒരു word മാത്രം ഉള്ളത് അതിനെ phrase എന്ന് പറയത്തില്ല. Okay, it's a group of words. No subject verb combination. Okay, in that group of words there won't be subject verb combination. Subjectum verbum ഒന്നിച്ച് കാണത്തില്ല. Next one, no meaning if used alone. So our phrase, our group of words, if used alone. So what is that used alone? Let's see. If used alone, it doesn't give any meaning. Okay, it has a small meaning but no a complete meaning. Okay, now fourth one, if used in a sentence, if that group of words which is called a phrase, or a group of words where if used in a sentence, where or sentence could use then it will give a meaning. Okay, now these points let us understand with the help of one example. See, I have written here an example. A beautiful home. Okay, now you know what is the meaning of beautiful, then you know what is the meaning of home. Okay, so you know there is a meaning in it, but these are a group of words. So our first point was phrase means it's a group of words. So in a group of words are now. Yes, right? 1, 2, 3, 3 words are there. So it's a group of words. Okay. Then no subject verb combination. Appo nammade ee point correct ayi. It's a group of words and no subject verb combination. There is no any subjectum verbum onnichundo aduthunda. No, there's no any subject verb combination in this sentence. Okay. So this is also correct. So idoru phrase aanu. Next one, no meaning if used alone. Okay, see, we know what is the meaning of beautiful, we know what is the meaning of home, but idu oru endha parayna meaning therunilla. That means a complete meaning kittunilla. A beautiful home, that's all, but we need some more sentence to be added with this, then only it will give a complete meaning. Okay, so here if used alone, it doesn't have any meaning. If used in a sentence, where sentence where words add then it will have a meaning. So these points also we got. Next one, if used in a sentence, let's make it like this. I built, okay, I built a beautiful home. See here, I built a beautiful home. Now it's a complete sentence and it has a meaning. So this is our phrase. Idaneyana phrase nu parayunnathu. Group of words, no subject verb combination, adi subject illa, verb onnichilla. And if stored alone, it has no meaning, but with other words, if it is joined with a subject and verb, then it will have a complete meaning. I built a beautiful home. Ippana ningalku ayinnulla oru complete artham kittunnathu. Okay, so this is called, this underlined group of words, it's called a phrase. Okay, idanana phrase nu parayana. But if it is like this, then this sentence, okay, it's called a sentence and it has a complete meaning. So idaneyana parayanathu ee full word joined together which give a complete meaning. Adil or subjectum verbum combination under complete meaning it will give, then that is called a clause. Okay, which you will learn in your next lesson. So in this lesson you will be talking about phrase and kinds of phrases, different kinds of phrases. So I built a beautiful home. Now let's try with another example. Suppose I write in the sky. Now is this a phrase? Yes, it's a phrase because see, it's a group of words. 1, 2, 3. 3 words are there. So it's a group of words. Then no subject verb combination. Idil or subject verb onnichundo? No. So again, it's a phrase. Okay, there. If used alone, then it doesn't have a meaning. Ille? ഒറ്റയ്ക്കാണ്, there's not giving a complete meaning. It has a meaning but complete meaning കിട്ടുന്നില്ല. Then if it is used in a sentence, then it will have a meaning. ഇതിന്റെ കൂടെ ഒരു subject ഉം verbും കൂടെ ഇട്ടാൽ then it will have a meaning. Now let's add a subject and verb to it. So we can write birds are flying. Okay, birds are flying in the sky, right? So in the sky is the phrase. In the we subject and verb it got a complete meaning. Okay, hope this is very clear to you. So this is what phrase is. Now next we are going to learn is kinds of phrases. So it was the group of words which is called phrases. Now there are different kinds of phrases. Okay, there are more than 6 kinds of phrases, but we'll be learning or we'll be discussing the kinds that your book is discussing. So let's learn those kinds of phrases. So next we are going to talk about kinds of phrases. Okay, so we have here noun phrase, adverbial phrase and adjectival phrase. So we'll be discussing one by one of them. Okay, first let us discuss about noun phrase. Now what is noun phrase or what is noun? Noun means name of a person, place, animal or thing, right? That's what we learned about noun. Now noun phrase means those group. Namalipo paditha group of words is called phrase. So those group of words that act as a noun. Noun ne pole act cheyanana noun phrase nu parayunnathu. So in this sentence the group of words that act as a noun. Noun ne pole act cheyumba adine endu parayanam a group of words. It's not a one word varumba adu noun now, but it's a group of words, so it is noun phrase. Now let us understand with some examples. See here, it acts as a noun. It may be a subject or an object of a verb. Adu subject aayittu act cheyam, object aayittu act cheyam. Now let's understand that with an example. Now cricket is a good game. So it's a sentence. Cricket is a good game. Appo idile cricket nu parayunnathu, what is that? It becomes a noun. Okay, we are talking about cricket. Ille, cricket ne pattiyana parayunnathu, that becomes our noun. That is a subject. Ille, aare pattiyana nammal parayunnathu, about whom we are talking in that sentence, that becomes our subject, right? So here cricket we are talking about and that is a noun. Verum noun. I'm making you understand what's the difference between noun and noun phrase. Noun phrase and tamilulla difference. What is that? So cricket is a good game. So what is a good game? Cricket. We got the answer cricket. So that is a noun. Illa, appa adu noun ai. Next one. Playing cricket is a good way of being fit. Now in this sentence also cricket came, right? Playing cricket is a good way of being fit. So this is here it becomes a noun phrase. See here we have playing cricket. Now it's a group of words. One word alla, two ayalum it becomes a group of words. So playing cricket is a good way of being fit. Now ask the same question. Nammal noun nu choichadu endana, what is a good game? Cricket. Now here, what is a good way of being fit? Playing cricket. Ille, playing cricket is a good way of being fit, right? So we got again what ennu choichappo namukku answer kitti. So endine pattiyana nammal parayana noun. Okay, so noun phrase we got. Since it is two words, one two and vaakku vannappo adine endu parayana noun phrase. Appo this group of words it's acting as a noun. Noun pole act cheyanamunda what it is called? Noun phrase. Okay, see in your book there's one example. She won all the prizes. She won. So object of a verb. Now this is our verb. She won what? All the prizes. So here all the prizes. See, she won. This becomes our subjectum verbum I. Ille, subject and verb combination. So our phrase means which will not have subject and verb combination. Appo idalle nammada phrase. She won what? all the prices. So all the prices becomes our noun phrase, because noun phrase can act here as a subject and it can also be an object. Okay, verb node question ചോദിച്ചപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് answer കിട്ടിയത് object. See, this is now object. So this is called noun phrase. It's very easy. Okay, noun ne നമ്മൾ എങ്ങനെയാ ചോദിക്കുന്നത് അതുപോലെ തന്നെയാണ് noun phrase. Next we'll move to adverbial phrase. Now what do you mean by adverbial phrase? Okay, a phrase that acts as an adverb. അതായത് group of words that act as an adverb. Adverbനെ പോലെ act ചെയ്യുന്നതാണ് adverbial phrase എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. Okay, now what is an adverb? That's something that adds to the meaning of a verb. ഇല്ലേ, വെർബിന് കൂടുതൽ മീനിങ് കൊടുക്കുന്ന വാക്കാണ് adverb. Okay, so ആ adverb വെർബിന് മീനിങ് കൊടുക്കുന്നത് in the same way the group of words. Okay, adverb പോലെ act ചെയ്യുന്ന a group of words which adds to the meaning of verb, that is called adverbial phrase. Let's understand that with some examples. Okay, now I have shown you what is adverb with some example, and then we will find out adverbial phrase how it is used. So let's see. He spoke to me bravely. Okay, so we know here he spoke to me bravely. How did he speak? Speak എന്ന വെർബിനെ ആഡ് ചെയ്യാനാണ്. എങ്ങനെയാണ് അവൻ സംസാരിച്ചത്? Bravely. So brave എന്ന വാക്ക്, this is adding to the meaning of this verb. ഇല്ലേ, ഈ adverb എന്ന വാക്ക് is adding ഈ information, spoke എന്ന അതിനെ പറ്റി കൂടുതൽ information, giving more information about the word spoke. Okay, so which is giving more information about the word spoke is bravely. ഇല്ലേ, എങ്ങനെയാ സംസാരിച്ചത്? Bravely. So how did he speak? How? We ask the question how. How did he speak? Spoke bravely. So bravely ആണ് നമ്മുടെ adverb. Okay, this word is adding to the meaning of the verb. So since it is one word, then it is adverb. Okay, ഒരു word ആവുമ്പോൾ adverb. Now adverbial phrase, what is that? So it will be phrase വന്നതുകൊണ്ട് it will be a group of words. He spoke to me in a brave manner. Okay, so he is there, spoke is there. So this is subject verb. അപ്പം അവിടെ നമുക്ക് എടുക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ല. That is not our phrase. So he spoke. Again ask a question. Yes, he spoke to me in a brave manner. How did he speak? In a brave manner. എങ്ങനെയാ അവൻ എന്നോട് സംസാരിച്ചത്? അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ എങ്ങനെ പറയും? In a brave manner. We use this group of words to answer the question how. നമ്മൾ ഈ group of words we used. And he spoke how. It's ആരെയാണ് അത് ഡയറക്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? This verb. Because adverb always directs to the verb. Adverb ആരെയാണ് റിലേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? വെർബിനെ. Okay, so he spoke to me in a brave manner. How did he speak to me? In a brave manner. So in a brave manner verbനെ relate ചെയ്യുന്നതുകൊണ്ട് this becomes adverbial phrase, because this is group of words. 1 2 3 4 words are there. Other ഈ 4 words verbനെ relate ചെയ്യുന്നതുകൊണ്ട് it becomes what? Adverb. So it is adverbial phrase. Okay, and one example, she danced beautifully. She danced beautifully. So our word she dances beautifully. So she dances. How does she dance? She dances beautifully. Again we ask the question, എങ്ങനെയാണ് അവൾ ഡാൻസ് ചെയ്തത്? Beautifully. So ആരെയാണ് ഇത് റിഫ്ലക്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? This verb. Okay, so this becomes adverb. Okay, this is our adverb because it is only one word and this one word is saying about this verb or giving more information about this verb, so it is adverb. The same example, see here, she dances in a beautiful style. Okay, she dances in a beautiful style. So how does she dance? In a beautiful style. എങ്ങനെയാണ് അവൾ ഡാൻസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? Again ഇത് സെയിം അർത്ഥമാണ്, സെയിം മീനിങ് it is given. In a beautiful style she is dancing. Okay, so here we have used a group of words to describe this verb. So if it is in a group of words, then what it is called? Adverbial phrase, adverbial phrase. So I hope this part is very clear. Okay. So now we'll move to the next one, that is adjectival phrase. So what do you mean by adjectival phrase? So it's same as the other phrases that we have discussed, like adjectival phrase is a phrase that acts as an adjective, right? It's a phrase that acts as an adjective. So what do you mean by adjective? Adjective means it's a describing word. Okay, it describes the noun or pronoun in a sentence. It qualifies a noun or pronoun in a sentence. So let's see what is that with some examples. See, I have written over here. So adjective nu parnal a noun or pronoun describe cheyna adine patti endelum a sentence le noun or pronoun ne patti endelum extra namukku information kittumbo or adine describe cheyyunnathu. The word that describes a noun or a pronoun, that is called adjective. Now adjectival phrase nu parayumbol endana, it's a group of words, that a group of words that will describe the noun or pronoun in a sentence. So let's see. I need a blank page. Okay, so I have used the two forms to make you understand what is how the sentence engane adjective aayittu use cheynathu and how it is used in adjectival phrase. Okay, two examples. So I need a blank page. Okay, so I need subject verb combination, so we are not going to concentrate over there. A blank page. Okay, so here we have our noun, a blank page. What kind of page do I need? Either type page are namakku vendiya blank, right? So this is our adjective, right? So adjective is a word that describes the noun or pronoun in a sentence. So e blank are describe cheyna page which is a noun, so it becomes adjective. It's only one word, so it is adjective. Now let's see the same thing with adjectival phrase. I need a page with no writing on it. Same meaning. I need a page with no writing on it. So yeah. So I need subject verb, just move it. I need a page with no writing on it. What kind of page do I need? A page with no writing on it. So ingante page avendiyay with no writing on it. So this becomes our phrase because it is a group of words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 words are there. So again, idu aare kanikkunathu? Aare pattiya parayana? Aine pattiyano? Neenne pattiyano? No. It's this particular group of words is talking about page, which is a noun. So this is describing this noun, so it is called adjectival. This is a group of words, അതുകൊണ്ട് എന്താണ് അത് adjectival phrase. Okay, so hope this part is very clear to you. That means adjective means the word that describes the noun. Okay, and adjectival phrase means it's a group of words which is acting as an adjective and it is describing the noun or pronoun in a sentence. So these are the phrases that are discussed in your book, that is noun phrase, adverbial phrase and adjectival phrase. Apart from this, there is one more phrase which will be very useful to you. It's not given in your textbook, but for your information, that is the prepositional phrase. Okay, so preposition, you know, the use of in, at, on, under, all these are prepositions. Okay, so those phrases that begins with a preposition, those are called prepositional phrase. So if you want, I will give an example, so please you can listen to it. So let's see what is prepositional phrase. Okay, prepositional phrase, prepositional, you know what it is. Okay, prepositional phrase means just the work of a preposition, that is doing the work of a preposition. For example, I want to talk to you regarding your studies. Okay, so this sentence can be written using preposition, that is I want to talk to you in regard to your studies. So we used what? In regard. Okay, in regard to your studies. So I want to talk to you, okay, in regard to your studies. So this is called prepositional phrase since there is a use of preposition in, right? So this is called prepositional phrase. So prepositional phrase is really very easy to find out because you just have to find out the prepositions, okay? So these are the kinds of phrases. Hope you people all understood. So kids, revise this phrase lesson, learn it very well. So until our next class, have a nice day. God bless you. Thank you.